Hi, welcome to Voiceoverdrill.com. My name is Seun Shobo. I'm the founder of the Voiceover Academy and the Voiceoverbank located in Lagos, Nigeria. In my years of practice as the head of the Voiceover Academy, we have noticed one thing. When students graduate, it becomes really hard for them to improve because they do not practice. And we all know that practice gets you to improve and get better at your craft. This is why we created Voiceoverdrill.com. At Voiceoverdrill.com, there are 3 things you should look forward to when you sign up. 1, you get to take online courses that you'll be certified for. 2, you get to learn about rates for your voiceover business. 3, you get to read scripts in different languages that you'll be evaluated for. So, sign up and let's get started.